and welcome everyone. In this video, we'll go through a simple program that can be used to find the sum of the integers between 1 to 10. The program structure consists of the headers, a variable to hold the value of the sum, a loop, and a command to print the sum. As we talked in the last video, the variable is an entity or a construct that is used to hold the value. So for example, here in the line 5, you can see that we added this variable called sum to hold the value of the overall sum of the numbers. In the next line, you could see that we have added this construct of a loop. A loop is a construct in programming that is very often used to go through a range of values. So for example, the loop that we use here has three keywords, for, in, and range, that I'll explain later. But this loop can be used to run through the values from 0 to 10. And this is by the definition in Python. The word for indicates the start of a loop. The word in indicates that the variable I lies in that range. The word range indicates that you have to consider the range from 0 to 10. Note that the range ends on 11, but 11 is not inclusive. Within the loop, so the loop starts at 7, line number 7, and ends at line number 9. And you can see that the sum in every loop run, we are basically adding the value of I to sum. So initially the loop would start from sum 0. After the first iteration, the sum would go to 0. And in the second iteration, the sum would go to 1. In this third iteration, sum would go to 2, so on and so forth. And in the last iteration, the overall sum would become 55. So the first iteration, sum is 0. Second iteration, sum is 1. In the third iteration, sum is 1 plus 2, 3. And in the last iteration, sum would be 55, which is 45 plus 10. And on the line 11, we basically print the value of sum to output the final value. So how do we do that? We basically go to our terminal and see where the program has been written, and then type the name of the program following the word Python. And Python is the command to execute the program, and we see the sum as being 55. So this was a short video that showed you how to write a program in Python to exercise a loop and find the sum of the first 10 integers. Thank you.